Another feature that I love about using coding rooms for CSAwesome is I'm able to have students collaborate on pages, whether it be pages from the CSAwesome template or pages that I create. And I could do that by creating group sets. And to create a group set is very simple. You go to people, you'll have all your learners, but go to the group sets tab. And here I have multiple group sets. I like to change groups throughout the year, so I just create new group sets because it'll be easier when it comes time to assigning pages to certain groups. And in that group set, I have who's in what group um, that I made. But when I go to making a new group set, I can just title it however I want. I could choose a certain section. So if I'm making group sets for a certain period, and then I'm able to drag and drop names in a group. So I would say group one, and then I could drag whatever students I want to be in group one. And I can delete the group set as well if I would like to. But when it comes time to actually assigning groups to a page, also very simple. I can go to a certain page, say I want the lab to be a group lab rather than a individual lab. When it comes time to making a policy, that's setting due dates and cutoffs, and who to assign it to. I just make it a group assignment and I assign it to whatever groups that I choose to use. So if I want to use the first group sets that I made for each period, I would check those off, and that would be a group assignment now. And what's great too is similar to like a Google Doc. So students who are grouped in a group set together, they will be working on the same page, and I will be able to see who did. If it's an IDE, I can go back and view the history of who typed what. But they are able to work on it in class together, on their own screens or at home, which is also great. After school, if they're working on an assignment, they could work on it in lifetime together.